Ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you very much, and fantastic second half of set dancing. So, well done everybody. So we have one final group on the programme who unfortunately can't dance this evening, but half of the Ballyroan half set are here. So everybody in Spink feels that it wouldn't be a Laois Fleadh, and it definitely wouldn't be a Laois Fleadh hosted by Spink if we didn't have at least some of the Ballyroan half set on stage. So I'd like to invite Brendan and Eileen to come up on stage. So their partners in crime dancing aren't here with them, but I think at the very least they can come over and give us a back. So Brendan and Eileen. And while they're coming up, just to say a little bit about them, because if I don't get my speaking about Brendan first, I'll never get it in, is, as some of you may know, Spink branch was founded 40 years ago this year, and the Ballyroan half set, of which Brendan and Eileen and their dear neighbours Helen and Paddy Carroll were members of, were dancing long before Spink were founded, and they were founder members of Spink branch. So a big reason that Spink is here today is directly down to Brendan and Eileen and all of the other people that have said this. And then one final bit is that in addition to their dancing, not only have they represented Spink, which they have, they've represented Laois, they've represented Leinster, and they've represented Ireland. And the Ballyroan half set of dancing and the whole choreography of that is one of a relatively small list of approved set dances in Comhaltas for Comhaltas competitions. So I think that is a fantastic tribute in itself to work that Brendan and Eileen and Paddy and Helen Cass have put into it over many years. So,